My voice cracked so hard in the spotlight that the whole auditorium burst out laughing. Heat crawled up my neck, but I forced myself to finish, every note shaking with embarrassment. That night, I locked myself in my room and sang through the tears, refusing to let fear win. Every day after, I practiced until the lyrics felt like armor and the melody, my battle cry. When I finally stepped back onto that stage, my song soared, and this time, the crowd was silent, listening, not laughing. Sometimes, the echo of your true voice is born from the courage to sing through your trembling.